We will discuss about the successive numbers, average of successive numbers. So I'm taking an example. If average of 10 successive natural number is 37.5, find the 10th number. Right? So whenever we are talking about the successive numbers, no matter they are successive natural numbers, successive even numbers, successive odd numbers, or successive multiple of any number, it does not matter, right? So whenever this thing is there, it means that number can start from anywhere. It is not compulsory that number are starting from the beginning. Clear? So what we need to do, I'll give the one basic thing. Successive numbers average means average of successive number means the middle number. Always means this middle number either the part of that group or it is between of the two numbers of that group. Like 10 successive numbers, I am assuming these are the 10 numbers. Clear? When we talking about the middle is what? 3 to 5. These 5 are one part and these 5 are one part. So this is what your middle, and this is called your average. Right? So number coming between these two numbers is the average of the given group. That means the average is not the part of that group. But to find out this one, what we will do, we'll add these two numbers and divide it by 2. We'll get the average. Clear? Sometimes it happens that the middle number itself is the average, means the part of that group. Clear? So this is what the basic thing. But whenever question says about 10 number, 20 number, 15 numbers, and 13, 18, 20, no matter, calculations by this method will take some time because you need to write down some signs and then you need to calculate that one. So what we do, I'm giving you one formula that average of successive number is equals to n plus 1 by 2 term. Right? This term value is your average. Always. N is what? How many numbers we are counting. So according to this question, the value of n is 10. So average is 10 plus 1 by 2 means 5.5, right? Number is equals to 37.5. Means 5.5 number means what? The between 5th and 6th number, right? So between 5th and 6th number, the value is what? 37.5. And question is talking about the successive natural numbers. So I can write that between 5th and 6th value is 37.5, which means what? The 5th number is 37 and the 6th number is 38. Is this okay? Now question asking about the 10th one. These are natural numbers. 6th number is 38, then 10th is what? Plus 4. 7, 8, 9 and 10. That means we need to go forward 4, and the difference between two natural number is always equals to 1. Then answer is, means the 10th number is 38 plus 4 equals to 42. This is your answer. Clear? So by this way you can do it. I'll give you one more way to solve these questions. We'll change the question. Clear? If the average of 17 successive natural number is 107, find the 10th number. It's okay. Answer. What we'll do, we'll find out the average term. Term means what? Average is equals to always for this one is n plus 1 by 2th term. Right? So what we are getting, the 17 plus 1 by 2 means 18 by 2. 18 by 2 means what? 9th term is equals to that average is 107. Clear? So what we will do now, 9th is 107. Clear? What we required? We required 10th one. How many terms we are adding? One term. That means plus 1 is here, but the difference between natural numbers. Difference between numbers. If they are natural number, then difference is equals to 1. If they are even number, difference is equals to 2. If they are odd number, difference is equals to 2 again. Right? If they are multiple of that number, the difference is equal to that number. So what we need to do, we need to solve this one and add up. 1 into 1 equals to what? 1. So answer is what? 108. This is your 10th number. If question asking about the first number, so what we will do? First term. First term is 9 to first minus 8. I'm removing that, then I'll solve it. This is clear. The 10th number is what? 108. Now I'm giving you one more extra in this one, that if question is asking about the first number or second number, second I'm taking, second number, 9th to second means minus 7. Here again minus 7 into the difference between numbers. Natural number difference is what? 1. So what we'll use? 1. This is what? Minus 7. 107 minus 7 is equals to 100. So this would be your answer. For what? Second number is 100. If question asks about the first number is what? 1 less than this one means 99. So this way we calculate the average for the successive numbers. We have taken the natural numbers. Now I'll move to the even numbers. Odd numbers, both are same. Process is always same for all. I'll give you one example for even numbers. The question says if the average of 20 successive even numbers is 73, find the 18th number. Clear? So numbers are what? Even numbers. Whenever successive are there, that means average is always equals to n plus 1 by 2 term. Right? Here n is what? 20 successive numbers. That means 20 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 21 by 2 means what? 10.5. Clear? 10.5th term is equals to average, and the value of average is what? 73. Clear? Now what we'll do, we'll write it in this way. 10.5th is equals to 73. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate 18th term. That means we are moving to 18th. Clear? And we need to find out this value. Is this okay? Now 10.5 to 18th, that means we are moving forward plus direction 7.5. Right? To make that 18, what we'll do, we'll add 7.5. The same value we will use here, plus 7.5 into The difference between the two numbers. Numbers are what? Even numbers. And difference between two even numbers is what? Always 2. Like 2, 4, 4, 6, 7, 6 and 8. So how many? What is the difference is what? 2. I make a note on this one. Difference between two numbers. Difference between two numbers, right? Clear? This one, right? So 7.5 into 2 will give you what? 15. So answer is what? 73 plus 15. 73 plus 15 means 88. So 88 is your final answer. Means the 18th number of that group is 88. This is what? The 18th term of that group. Now same. When we are talking about the odd numbers, this process is same. You need to find out this difference. In odd numbers, the difference is also 2. So you can solve this question on the basis of odd numbers also. Now I am taking some questions on the basis of multiple of some number, right? I'll say that the average, if the average of 15 successive multiple of 5 is, the average of 15 successive multiple of 5 is 115, then find out the 13th multiple or 13th number. I'll write it. 13th number, right? So again same thing. How many numbers we are using? 15. These are what? Successive. Successive means the average is always n plus 1 by 2th term. So according to the question, it will give you 15 plus 1 by 2 means 16 by 2 means 8th term age equals to 115. What we will write? We will write 8th value is 115. Clear? What you need to find out? The 13th one. That means 13th plus 5. Here you will use plus 5 into. These numbers are the multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 will have difference what? 5 itself. I'll write a difference between numbers, right? So 5 into 5 means what? 25. You need to add up 115 plus 25 means 140, and this is your 13th number. Clear? So by this way we solve this type of questions, right? Now what we'll do, one thing, that if some numbers are added or decreased out of these, some numbers are added and decreased out of these series. Like an example I am taking, if the average of 15 successive natural number is 103. If we increase, if we add, if we add 3 more numbers in forward direction, then what is the new average? What is the new average? Clear? So what we need to do, we need to find out something. 15 successive natural numbers are there, that means the 103 is average. So average means what? Average is always equals to n plus 1 by 2, means 15 plus 1 by 2. This is what? 16 by 2, means 8th term is given, which is equals to 103. Clear? Now question saying that if 3 more numbers are added in forward direction, that means we are writing the next 3 numbers, right? Then the new number group become what? 18 numbers. So we can say that new average is what? Again n plus 1 by 2, but now numbers are 18. So 18 plus 1 by 2 means 19 by 2. 19 by 2 means what? 9.5 fifth term, right? We know that 8th term is 103 and we are asking about the 9.5 terms. 9.5 terms means what? Minus 1.5, sorry, plus 1.5, 8 to 9th. So what we'll do, we'll do the same thing, plus 1.5 and difference is 1, then it is equals to 1.5. The answer become 104.5. This is your answer, right? Or we can do one more way, that 3 terms are added. 3 terms means 3 numbers divided by 2. We'll take the average of this one. It will give you what? 1.5 extra. That means 103 plus 1.5. But this is more feasible answer. You can use the same approach for all questions, because I believe in one thing, that there are lots of ways to solve the questions, right? If I give you the one different way to solve each and every question, then in one chapter you will end up with 20-30 ways. And you will practice these ways 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, maximum 5 times for each question. Obviously, you can solve 5 questions of same type. So you can practice these techniques 5 times more maximally. But if I give you the 1 or 2 techniques to solve the questions of entire chapter, 1 or 2 techniques to solve the questions of entire chapter, and these techniques are self-sufficient to solve the question within a minute, right? So what you will do, when you will practice the question, you will practice these 2 techniques or 3 techniques approximately 50 times and 100 times. If you solve 100 questions, you have practiced these 100 times. So this would be strongest. You can remember these techniques. If I give you different techniques in the examination part, you obviously forget these one. So practice one single technique which can solve the question within a minute. No matter, don't move for the new one, right? This is what, how you calculate the average of that added one, right? If we decrease, what will happen? What will happen, right? Or I can give you one other way. I'll tell you the other way, right? I'm writing it, if we remove 3 numbers from last, that means we are not changing the beginning of that series. Last, right? Initially 15s were there, that means average. I need to give you the different way of solving. 15 successive numbers are there, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. These are 15 numbers. Average is what? 15 plus 1 by 2 means 8th number is my average. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my average and the value is 103. I am writing it average. Clear? This is what? Old average, initial. Now question is saying that 3 numbers are removed. Then what we will do? We will remove these 3 numbers. Now numbers are remaining is what? 12. The average of these 12 number is what? 6.5. 12 plus 1 by 2 means 6.5. That means between 6 and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6th one. This is 7th one. The average is between these one. Means new average is this one. Right? We will do. These are what? Natural numbers. This is 103. The before 103 we will get 102. This is 101. The average is between these two. That means new average is 101 plus 102 divided by 2 equals to 101.5. 5. Or you can solve this by other method, like 3 numbers are removed. 3 means what? 3 by 2 means 1.5 is removed. 103 minus 1.5, what I'll get? 101.5. So this is the way we solve the question on the basis of successive numbers. Clear?